Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix media creation tool error 0X80072F8F 0X20000. Okay, first things first, download the required file. This video suggests downloading a file provided in the screen. This file likely contains a solution or workaround for the error. Wait then for the media creation tool. After downloading the file, the video recommends waiting for a moment before launching the media creation tool. This delay may be to ensure that any background processes related to the tool have completed. And as simple as it is, hopefully you can be able to fix your media creation tool error. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix media creation tool error. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.